and welcome. Today's video we are unbagging my paid for Ipsy Glam Bag. I'll give you all the information and all of that here a little bit later in the video. Don't worry, Haley and I will be coming back and doing Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter, with our paid for bags as soon as we possibly can sit down and film them together. You guys know I love to go head to head, but this video is all about my personal bag, what I picked. Is it in here? You guys know I had some issues, so we will definitely see about that. I'm actually really shocked to see this bag already, you know? Anyways, guys, if you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess because, hold on, my hair is driving me crazy. It's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbag, we chit-chat, we look for spoilers, we just have a good old time. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay, guys, so this is my paid for Ipsy bag. Now this bag is $12 a month. It is profile based and you do get to customize one of the items in there. However, like I told you guys, I was on the struggle bus. You guys told me instead of using my app, then, and if it's not working, just go straight to the website. Cami, you're a genius. I don't know why I did not think that, girl. I did not think of it. I was just like, this is the second month in a row I haven't been able to shop the add-ons or anything like that. So I don't know whether or not any choice was made and went through or anything like that. So thank you to those of you who said, Rhonda, don't worry about the app, just go straight to the website like you used to. So shout out to you guys for that. But like I said, this bag is $12 a month. It's profile based and they do customize it based on your answers. I go like this because not always is it really things that you would choose. I do fib on mine. I do say that I am younger than my actual age. I put that I'm in my mid-20s. That has helped me to have a bit better of a bag when I go head to head with Haley on hers. So this is what this month's bag looks like. It's kind of like that old school jelly type of feeling. It does have this cute, almost like a shower curtain type of doodad here. Again, I feel like it's like this jelly theme. I don't know. Outside of my bag, I did get a brush, and I forget the name of this. It may have a card in there, but it's a nice little brush. It says it's SL Miss Glam Foundation B12 brush. More than anything, I love how it's kind of like the glitter and, you know, bedazzled or whatever that's called. It's really cute. So that is the first item that was not in the bag, and I broke the plastic. Awesome. Okay, so jumping into the bag, what I do really like about the Glam bag, the $12 bag, is you get a card in here and inside, and they changed it. Ignore everything I literally just said. They changed it once again. So typically what we have on the inside is a little information about what is in our little goodie bag, but now they've changed it and it says beauty resolutions for your sign. Well, your girl's a Gemini, and it says be the trendsetter you are and go bold with makeup. I feel like that's what I've been doing. My lipstick is really dark. I'm playing around with the wing. Like, who is she? I don't know, but 2021, you know. Okay, so the first item in here is Drama Bomb. This is by, is it OFRA Cosmetics or OFRA Beauty Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Mascara. Okay, you guys know I love mascara, so I'm always willing to try out new brands of mascaras as far as that goes. So that is the first item in this bag. The next one I see in here is by Foxy Bae. This is a 12-in-1 Magic Daily Leave-In Mask. I love that. We have dry air. I'm doing anything I can to get all the hydration I possibly can. This is actually a really good size as far as that goes. So moving right along to the next item in here, and by the way, none of this thus far is anything that I even chose. This is Formula 1006 Thirst No More Moisturizer. It does have a fruit complex and white tea. Quench your thirsty skin with this powerful moisturizer containing a natural complex of combination of watermelon, lentil, and apple extract. Hyaluronic acid delivers a second boost of moisture, while white tea helps to maintain a fresh and radiant glow. Your skin will drink it up. So, nice thing about this is you can tell it's definitely completely all the way full. This is new to me as far as this brand goes. This does not sound familiar. I don't think I've ever tried this out before. And I kind of feel like, okay, so it does say you can use over your entire face. I thought maybe this was like a body lotion, but it does say specifically for your face. So anyways, let me know if you guys have tried this one out before. The last item in here is by Catherine Malandrino, Special Moments. I don't know, but the box is cutesy. I don't know anything about this. What is this? Is this a perfume? Is it a hand sanitizer? Nope, it's a perfume. It's very kind of cheapy. Wait, let's do this first. Ooh, that was a lot that came out. That's not bad. You know, it reminds me of the little, okay, I used to get these for my girls, like for their stockings when they were younger, like the little Victoria's Secret tiny pink brand perfumes. I mean, it smells nice. It's not like it's almost got like a moisturizer effect to it. I don't know. It's different. I'm throwing it. I did green juice shot. Okay, I don't know how I feel about it. I don't think it's horrible. But I don't know if it's something that I would necessarily pick for myself. You know what I mean? She's thick. She's thick. Like in a, I don't know. The first spritz, I was like, oh yeah, that totally reminds me of the Victoria's Secret, like pink, the cute little, like, you know, mini things. This is literally giving me a headache. I don't think it mixes with my oils well. I don't know about that one. Yeah, I don't know. What is that, 5 minutes of me sniffing myself? Love that for you. I don't know how I feel about that one. Although I do know that it is affecting this side of my sinuses. Did you guys get that? What were your guys' thoughts? I am definitely excited to see what Hailey got in her bag. So make sure to stay tuned for that. I will be coming back and going head to head with Hailey, Ipsy versus Ipsy, Mother versus Daughter, Glam Bag Edition, as well as Glam Bag Plus Edition. I have not heard anything yet about Ipsy X or Glam Bag X. So if you guys know anything, let me know. I did sign up for that, so as soon as I find out more information, sneak peeks, or even like choices, hopefully I can make choices, because none of this was anything that I was able to make a choice for. My thoughts on my box, it was not a knock my socks off kind of box, guys, at all. Okay, it subsided a little bit. It's okay. I don't know. It's not my favorite. It's definitely not my favorite bag. The bag is cute. It does say Dream on here, by the way. So let me know, what did you guys get in your box, or in your bag? Have you already received it? Because I got mine really quick. Like, is that how you get it? Is if you don't make the choices? You just like, boom, there's your bag. Because today is January 11th that I am filming this. I'll get this up to you guys as soon as I can, and I'm quite shocked at how quick this came. So let me know y'all's thoughts down below. Stick around, subscribe, so you don't miss when Hailey and I go head to head unboxing ours. See who comes out on top as far as that goes. And don't forget to give me a follow over on Instagram. You guys, We are like 1,000, I think it is, away from my 10K goal over on Instagram. I also have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where you can check me out, random Rhonda rambles in her PJs 99.9% of the time. And of course, Hailey has a channel as well. Make sure to go check her out. Her channel name is Love Hailey, Hailey. And until next time, friends, I need to hop off and go cook some dinner. We got a yummy tortellini bake casserole or something. It's HelloFresh. I love that. It makes me feel like I'm a bougie chef, but it's affordable and I don't have to put as much work into it as meal prepping as I used to. So I'm a happy mama. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.